wallet, like I was explaining, a crypto wallet is a tool used to what? Store cryptocurrency. It is used to store what's it called, or send and receive cryptocurrency. Now, importance of a crypto wallet is number one. He said wallets do not, what's it called, do not physically store coin. Yeah, it's not something that maybe you can touch. That's why it's called digital asset. It is a digital asset that has value. Now they store your access keys. That's one thing about what's called your this. It's just like your bank account. What's called password. That's the way it is. Those are your access keys. Now we have types of two major types of wallets. We have the hot wallet and the cold wallet. Please, if you can hear me, let me see a thumbs up. Can we hear me? Hello. Can we hear me clearly? Mr. Dave, Mr. Praise, can you hear me now?